it's me Sydney, and I'm back with another video. And your girl ain't bald head no more. Your girl had a bald head no more. I had it grew out. My hair finally trying to scrape my shoulders a little bit. You feel me? My hair getting a little long, so I'm a little excited. And why not do me a protective style? I'm using this conditioner gel, but you can use whatever gel for your hair. This will work for me. My niece was talking about me like a dog. She talked about me so bad, y'all. Tell me, why you using that braiding gel for your hair? Your hair gonna be freezing tomorrow. And I said, guess what? I'ma still have these braids tomorrow. You ain't finna play with me. Don't come for me if I ain't sent for you, niecey poo. And if you watching this video, just know I'ma keep using this braid gel, baby. Because it hold on my hair. I don't know about everybody else, but my hair, you know what I'm saying? They be talking about, ooh, she got good hair. I got some manageable hair. It still be getting on my nerves. It's well. Not good, it's well. It's manageable. But anywho, make sure to put that braided gel on that part and smooth it through. That's going to help create a more sleek part. You're going to think somebody sliced you with a knife to get these parts so cute. But anyway, let me get back into my professional stance. What you would need to do is part the hair into 3 sections. When you part the hair into 3 sections, you're going to grab a piece of hair and you're going to put it into your pinch. Under the first piece, you're going to crisscross and overlap. You're going to grab that piece from the fur braids and swing it under your finger and grab it back. If you need me to repeat that step, we're going to keep continuing to braid. There go my niece right there, her hating that. Anyway, you're going to grab another piece, swoop it under. Make sure to throw half of the piece to the front. Do you want to keep this same repetition all the way down the braiding shaft? And they was getting on to me like, they was just like, Sydney, you doing them janky braids. Let me tell you, front gonna look better than the back because they ain't want to help me. Got my best friend in the back. She worked at the shop with us. Got my niece. She came over and did one braid. The girl did one braid, then left me for dead. I said, you know what? I'm going to keep continuing to braid. Because guess what I'm doing? I'm saving money. I'm saving the money. So all my money that's going in my savings account, I'm going to take me a trip to Bermuda. And then they're going to be like, Cindy, you ain't take me to Bermuda. And I'm going to say, because I was saving money for me to take a trip. Remember you ain't want to braid my hair? But anywho, I always add the amount that my hair is. Like, if you're gonna grab a piece of braided hair, please grab the amount that is your hair density, because your braid will be fatter after you start adding hair. I add hair immediately. Like, as soon as I part the hair, as soon as I part it into 3 sections and I'm about to grab the hair, I add the hair immediately, because you want the hair to be, you want it to be uniform all the way down. And make sure to smooth some product onto the ends of your hair, because you're gonna be able to determine the hair from the weave from the hair from your hair from the weave. You get what I'm saying? Make sure to smooth that stuff down. And if you know how to tuck, you can kind of tuck your hair behind the braiding hair. And that's going to help you get a smooth, sleek, nice, and neat braid. I think, it's hot right now. Silk press season is not among us. Everybody's really not trying to wear lace wigs and things like that. So this style right here is always a go-to for me. It's only like $4.99 for a pack of hair. You get about 3 packs. I think I used the, I want to say model free tress, I think, braiding hair. That's probably the one I used. And I used the number 2. I stopped using 1B because my hair is really not that dark. So I just was like, let me just try to use a number 2. And the number 2 been getting me there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at my hating niece in the back. She's still over there. And I ended up blow drying her hair for her and everything. But you see her back there. I know y'all see my little niece. But I like I said, I bought the free tress braiding hair, and I got about 4 bags in each pack. Each pack was like $4.99. So that's like literally under $10 for a style. And not to mention the braided gel, you probably spend about $4.99, $5.99, depending on the hair store that you get or the hair store that you go to. And right now we saving money because we keeping our coins in our pockets and we investing in our future. So these are the finished results. I know y'all see them first two rows. They weren't too shabby. But I couldn't see back there. And none of them wanted to help me. But it's okay because don't worry about the back. That's not my problem. That's just not my problem. But yeah, this style is my go-to.